Happy Friday, LaSalle USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, April 28th, 2023.
It was another busy week here in LaSalle USD. This past Friday evening, our LAHS Drumline and Color Guard showcased their award-winning performances to an audience of their families, friends, and community members. Both Color Guard and Drumline are seeking new members for the upcoming school year, so please reach out to the high school for more information. On Monday evening, the district, in partnership with Perla Mendoza, founder of Project Eli and former LaSalle USD parent, hosted an important event for both secondary students and their families about the dangers of fentanyl. For those unable to attend the event, details, information, and resources are available on our district website. On Tuesday, the team from LAHS was in the house for our Board of Education meeting. Their presentation began with a breathtaking performance from our award-winning Los Alamitos Show Choir, followed by Principal Krause guiding the community through a recap of the 2022-23 school year. The team then honored their Hero of the Heart, Monica Graham, followed by a celebration for honoring LAHS students who have achieved the Girl Scout Gold and Boy Scout Eagle Awards. We also honored our 2023 Classified Supervisory Employee of the Year, Kevin Dennis, and our 2023 Administrator of the Year, CJ Noland. In other LAHS news, we'd like to congratulate our CyberPatriot team, Team Bustin', for earning the award for Top Silver Team at the CyberPatriot competition at Cypress College. This team advanced to the semifinal round in the Silver Division. In other news, board and cabinet members gathered at our auxiliary office this week to celebrate LaSalle USD staff members for their dedication, service, and longevity with the district. Staff were recognized for celebrating 5, 10, 15, and even 25 years of service, serving a combined total of over 100 years. On Thursday, LAE and McGaugh opened their doors to families for open house. Highlights included a STEAM fair presented by our very own Los Alamitos Education Foundation, poetry readings, STEM lessons, and some incredible student artwork. And finally, this week, students and staff at Los Alamitos Elementary School came together to celebrate Neurodiversity Week, which is a school-wide initiative that challenges stereotypes and misconceptions about neurological differences. McAuliffe students and staff also took time this week to celebrate neurological differences by taking part in Abilities Awareness Week. Abilities Awareness Week promotes understanding, acceptance, and appreciation of all types of individuals through fun activities. Students from general and special ed classes came together to play various games promoting inclusion, making friends, and celebrating differences. Well, that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.